In this video, we're going to look at how to configure your angel broking trading account with Quantiply. First of all, you need an angel broking trading account. If you don't have one, you can open an account using the account opening link shared in the video description below. If you open an account with the link shared below, you will get an additional 20% off on the monthly subscription plans on Quantiply and an enhanced limit of 12 algos per day as against the 6 algos per day at no additional cost. Step 1, you have to activate your F&O segment. If you haven't already activated your F&O segment, go to the link shown in the video. Once you've logged in, go to My Profile. Once you've gone to My Profile, you will see a section that shows you the active segments. Click on the Edit button and you will be taken to a page where you have to select NSE F&O, agree to the terms and conditions and click on Proceed to Activate. Once your F&O segment is activated in a day, you can proceed to the next step of activating the API and configuring your angel broking trading account with Quantiply. First, go to your Quantiply dashboard, click on your name and go to the broker setup section. Once you're on the broker setup section, click on setup under angel broking. You will be taken to the setup page where step 1, you need to enter your angel broking client ID in the text box. Once you've put your client ID, you will see a redirect URL and a postback URL. Let's create an API subscription now. Go to the link shown in the video, smartapi.angelbroking.com. Once you're on the Smart API page, click on sign up. If you've already signed up before, you can skip to the next step and simply log in. So click on sign up, fill in the details and click sign up. Once you've signed up, log in with your credentials and you will come to a page where you will see all your active API subscriptions. So click create an app. Once you click create an app, you will come to a page where you can select the type of API you want to activate. Select trading APIs, feed in the app name and your angel broking client ID. Now go back to your Quantiply broker setup page. You will see your redirect URL and postback URL. Copy the redirect URL and the postback URL and paste it on the Smart API page where you are creating a new API subscription under redirect URL and postback URL and click create app. Once you click create app, you will come onto the main page where you will see an API key generated and a secret key generated. Copy the API key and copy the secret key and paste them on your angel broking broker setup page on the Quantiply dashboard. Once you've pasted the API key and API secret, click save. And once you've clicked save, you will see that your angel broking setup is complete. Once your setup is complete, click on the broker login button on the top navigation next to your name. Click on login under angel broking. And if you've set up correctly, you will get a confirmation that you have logged in. And once you've logged in, you can now start trading. Also, note that broker login has to be done every day before 8:55 a.m. and also read the instructions from the instructions page before you start trading. The link to the instructions can be seen on the top navigation on your Quantiply dashboard. If you have any other queries, you can get in touch with us at support@quantiply.tech. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.